aka Adadiche, the Swagger Man. So today we have our incredible artist, Mr. Azaron, in our midst. Mr. Azaron, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So guys, yeah. So guys, I'm going to be asking Mr. Azaron. He just released a wonderful music just 1 week ago. The name title Buy and Sell. So today we are going to be asking Mr. Azaron what inspires him to sing the music he just did. So, Mr. Azaron, please, do you have anything? You are welcome to the program today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay.
Yes, I say hello to everybody out there.
Yes, so.
The inspiration to write Buy and Sell came as a way of expressing my feelings or how I feel about the disparities and inequalities in the society. That is what inspired me to write Buy and Sell.
Okay. Right, we are going to be asking Mr. Azaron question one after. We have 15 questions here to meet ask Mr. Azaron. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You are ready for the question?
Yes, of
so,
course.
guys, I want to know it's posted to what this interview with Mr. Azaron Begood. And before we continue, I want you to rush and go to the username and subscribe to Mr. Azaron Begood Music, okay? And also in Facebook page, in social media, just at Mr. Azaron Begood. So number one question, I have asked him what inspires him to give us Buy and Sell, and he just explained right now. So right now we're going to ask him question number two. Okay, the song has ethic and feelings, and it tells tragic stories. Can you please elaborate on the story life?
Well, absolutely. Yes. Buy and Sell is a song that revolves around a man that has that married two wives.
Okay.
And each of these wives gave him a son. And out of these two wives, the man is in love with one more than he is with the other.
Okay.
And he still transferred the same love he had for his loving wife to the son that he gave him, and despised the son that the other wife that he doesn't actually love. And so it went on and went on and on and on like this until these guys, they grew up to a stage where they need to start hustling for their lives. And one of their uncles who is in the city came to village to ask if they would to take any of them.
Okay.
But the man decided to give out this guy that he doesn't actually like to his uncle, go with their uncle, go with him, and leave this one. This one is my son. I love him.
Okay.
So this guy that is not all that white went away with the uncle, and then eventually succeeded as a man, and even came home with a car.
Wow. That's
so
nice.
On this day he came home, he arrived home with the car. The man, his father, was so bitter. Although he showed some sign of
yes, it was so surprised.
Yes, he showed some sign of happiness, but in his mind he was bitter.
Yeah.
And from that very moment, he decided that he's going to poison and kill him.
And his own son.
His own son. So
oh my God.
At the end of the day, it backfired because the son that he loved was the person that drank the wine that he poisoned for this other guy that came from the city, and he died.
Oh my God!
So these are what the vagaries of life. When the result you get where you involve yourself in
such things. So it is not good.
That is how buy and sell. What you buy is what you
sell. Did you get that story?
So that is it.
Did you get that story? The story line? Did you get it very well? What you buy is what you sell. What you sell is what you get. Yes. So that's but how did you come up with the title Buy and Sell?
The title Buy and Sell is actually it encompasses things we do, the inequalities in the society, how we relate with our fellow human beings, what you give is
Whatever,
what you get.
yeah, well, yeah, exactly,
You know,
exactly.
the measure you give is the
It was
measure you get.
exactly.
So,
Bible said it as well.
exactly. So this is all about
story.
buy and sell.
Buy and
You know?
sell. Okay. We have another question for you, Mr. Azaron Begood. The song seems like a deep social message. What do you hope listeners will take away from it?
Yes, I want the listeners to buy and sell to understand the fact that you really have to do things the way the
It's
things are supposed to be done.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't just at the tail end of buy and sell. I say, don't betray me, my friend that I like. You know, so the things you give out is things you get.
Exactly.
Do things the way everybody will be favored. I know it's not possible to actually favor everybody.
Yes.
But contribute your own.
At least good part of it.
So when you bring your own good part, I bring my own good part. The society moves on in peace.
Yeah, exactly. That is great. That is a nice response. Thank you so much, Mr. Azara.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we have another question. In that video of buy and sell, I saw a place where people are dancing in the market area. So what is the market sense of it in this whole thing? What was your vision for it? Capturing the music on the market.
Marketplace is a marketplace. Life is like a marketplace.
Yeah, exactly.
And so marketplace is a place where the realities of life collides with desperation, emotions, and the zeal to survive. Where maybe sometimes people will sell counterfeit to you, and then maybe sometimes people you still pay them with counterfeit. People will treat you bad, you still return it bad. But you see that two wrongs cannot make a right. That is what buy and sell has come to correct. That what you buy
is what you are going to get.
So that is just what buy and sell is talking about. Okay,
that is good. That is a nice response. You know, you see, whatever you buy, you sell. Whatever you sell, you
is what you get.
Exactly. So we are going to ask you question number 6. So what does this song reflect in your personal journey as an artist?
Yeah, as
an artist.
In my own personal journey as an artist, buy and sell is inspiring. Wow. Because it gives me the attitude to continue to do things the way I do it.
Yeah.
It inspires me to see life, that what you get and what you do to other people, you are likely to get it back.
Exactly.
But it's
some people don't know that.
No.
Some people don't know that.
Only that sometimes you can be a good man, do the right things, be upright in your dealings with people, but people will always pay you back in bad coin.
Yeah, that is the point.
It happens like that.
But so that shouldn't make you to stop.
It will not make you to stop being good or being who you are.
Exactly.
This is what I think about
all about the
yes.
Okay, that is good. That is a nice response from Mr. Azaron, Begood music. So guys, keep on following and subscribing. So we have another question we want to ask Mr. Azaron. What challenges do you face during the time of creating this buy and sell music?
Yes, challenges is it's always good to have challenges because it helps to inspire you more.
More.
Influence you and move, and it makes you want to work hard to overcome. Any challenge. Any challenge.
Whatever you are doing, you don't have challenges.
It's not working.
It's not working.
Anything that comes to a man, they say is equal to the man. So actually, there were challenges that one has to face and trying to put buy and sell together.
Okay.
But at the end of it all, we
achieve it.
We succeeded in putting it out there.
Thank you so much. That is a nice response from you, Mr. Azara. So we have another question that we want to ask you. This song has a vintage and ethic vibe, and how did you achieve this musically and visionary How did you achieve it?
Well, we set out to create a musical
Yes.
what I would say a musical jamboree, something that
Oh,
something that you will listen to it, and then it is teaching you and
it's
still
something
entertaining
asking
you. So this is what
called jamboree.
it's a kind of jamboree, because
This one sweet me.
when
I love this. I love this language.
yes,
It's a kind of jamboree.
yeah, when people they see people dancing to it, people
Yes.
rocking to it, yet they are learning a whole lot of things from buy and sell,
Buy and sell.
because of the lyrics, because of the weddings in buy and sell. It's a song that actually teaches you, yet entertaining.
Wow, that is nice.
Yeah.
That is nice. I love the way you are answering the question. I love it very well.
Thank you.
Guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this interview with Mr. Azaron Begood. So we're going to be asking Mr. Azaron another question. We have a lot of questions to ask him. So that we can also get a reason why he give us this buy and selling. So that is why we are here. So, Mr. Azaron, I want to ask you this question. How do you feel? How do you feel about the restriction and song received so far? That restriction. How do you feel? The recipe, that is, how did the people
The response,
all those kind of, how did you
okay, actually, I feel overwhelmed with the feedbacks we are getting from people out there, concerning buy and sell. A whole lot of people are vibing to this song, and
wow,
it's a good thing, because people are learning some morals from this song, and then at the same time dancing to it. It's all well. It's all doing well, doing fine.
and you are getting more good response from people.
More comments, very good comments from people out there. I appreciate all of them. I appreciate all that people are commenting, because when you put out a song, and then more than half of the responses you are getting is positive. I think you are good
to go. You are getting somewhere. That means the music buy and sell is
actually
is giving you what you the reception you are getting is
people are vibing. Good. People are vibing to it. Yes.
That is good. I love that. I love that. Yes. So, Mr. Azaron, thank you so much for the question answered. I so much like that, because when somebody did something, you creating a content, or you put a music or whatever, you are doing a business, and people are not patronizing you, meaning that what that person is doing is not exactly. So when you are getting reception from the up and down, that receiving the reception received so far, maybe people are talking good about, meaning that you are good to go. So keep it up, okay?
Thank you.
So what rules does storytelling play in your music? That storytelling, what rules does it play?
Actually, storytelling is the center of my musical career, because as time goes on, I am going to be coming out with more stories.
That means you are a storyteller.
I am a musical artist, evangelist.
I love that evangelist. I love it, of course.
Yes.
So I hope that you done it in a
yes.
Okay.
Because when you teach people morals, it's not only when you say hallelujah.
Exactly. There's many ways to teach.
There are ways you teach people. The things you say will help to change people's outlook on life.
Exactly.
If somebody was just like buy and sell is doing now. If some people, because actually we have a musical review done by Adadiche Studios every Tuesdays, Fridays, and on Sundays. Like tonight, we are going to be having that same musical review, hosted by or anchored by Adadiche. So if you come there and listen, you hear some comments from the people. From the followers. What they say, somebody cheated me out of my rightful share of something, but I wanted to do this to him and do this. But when I listened to what I said, even when my brother treated me bad, what will I do? I just have to show him love. So I decided not to retaliate again, to show him love. Although it's good that you show love, but not when you are overtly cheated. You know.
Okay. Thank you so much. I love this. Thank you so much, Mr. Azaro. So we have another powerful question to ask you. So are you ready? Are you ready for me? Yes. I have a lot to.
Definitely.
Mr. Azaro, I want to ask you: can we expect more songs with such deep narratives from you in the future? Can we?
Yes, definitely. Okay. Definitely, you are going to be getting more more songs that are based on morals.
Oh wow!
Yeah, you'll be getting more songs based on morals because although in the present society we are living now, there's a lot of moral decadence, but that does not mean that we have to continue that way, because if it's not corrected, you see that music actually is something that helps to mold the society.
Yes.
If, for example, I come with this band and then some people are applying to it, and it's helping people to understand that actually that you have to do things the right way, so that people will appreciate you, or that it's not always when somebody you want to retaliate immediately. Always give room, give space for a rethink before you carry out any nefarious action against your fellow. So this is what I think basically it will informs my future works musically and otherwise.
Wow, that's great.
Yes.
I love this response. Thank you so much, Mr. Azaro. So we are going to be asking you again about how has your background reflected, during this theme of buying and selling.
Well, I grew up in a society or in a place where the privileged people live, and then where disadvantaged people live as well.
Yes.
So this was something that actually informed my style of writing songs, because I have other songs where I say liars are dangerous. Yes.
Liars are dangerous.
Yes.
Did you hear that? You need to rush and go and listen to this music. You need to see Mr. Azaron on stage. So please, guys, as you are watching, rush go to Mr. Azaron Begood Music.
Yes.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel and also follow for the Facebook, TikTok, Instagram.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. These are the things that I grew up to notice in the society.
Okay.
That somebody can even tell lies that can send you to prison.
Exactly.
And, yes, of course. And I have another song which is already out there on YouTube and everywhere. I said there is no justice. In that place, I talked about a country that was so endowed with all the good things of life, but unfortunately, the arbiters of the authority in that country are all corrupt, and corruption is the mother of all. I know. So these things, I basically do songs that teaches.
As evangelist.
That teaches you to be good.
Yeah,
that teaches you to be.
That is why you come up with your name.
Begood.
Begood.
Exactly.
Did you get it? Begood. Whatever you are doing this life.
Try to be good. Very important.
Very important. Yes. So when you listen to Mr. Azaron music, try to get what he's saying there. It's quite a lot. It teaches a lot. It encourages a lot. Yes. Mr. Azaron music as an evangelist. Evangelist is not only person that preaches the word of God.
No.
Or you can use your music, your content, whatever to spread the good news of God.
Of course,
And you understand?
yes.
Many ways, do you understand me? So a lot of people believing that it's only just carry Bible.
It's not just quoting the Bible,
No.
but live the Bible.
Live the Bible.
Live the Bible. You say what and then do those things you talk about in the Bible. It's not you quote the Bible, but you are not doing what the Bible says you should do.
That is why you need to be good.
So you have to be good.
I love that.
The moment you are good, then you are actually living the Bible.
God bless you. That is good. Yeah, exactly. You are right. So, Mr. Azon, thank you so much for answering all these questions. But we still have more. Okay. Are you ready?
Well,
I'm going to finish you here with questions. So, we have people watching. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Please help me share the video. Subscribe to Mr. Azaron Begood Music in Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. So, let's answer our questions. So, Mr. Azaron, I have a question to ask you here. You have talked about the rules storytelling plays in music. You have tell us and make us to understand. So, do you think that this song will direct the direction of your music career? I didn't get the question.
No.
Do you think this song will be the direction of your music career?
Actually, even before this song, my musical career was basically based on morality. It's not that I don't do love songs anyway, so that some people will not misunderstand me.
I think you have released one like that.
Yes, I have love songs. And
I remember this.
And by next year, I'm still coming out with another love song. But it is a love song that when you listen to it, you also appreciate that I am actually teaching.
Yes.
And not just...
That is true. I remember the one song you released like that.
Yes.
I remember that song you released. I don't forget that side would be first time you released it.
Exactly.
So what was the title of that song?
That song was I Will Be For You Forever.
It's also a
love song. I was trying to tell people when you are married, try to stay on with your spouse.
That is the same thing Adadiche is teaching in this book.
Yes,
when you are married, try to be good to your wife.
Especially when you are compatible. That is very important.
That word compatible. Yes. Did you get it? Compatible.
Yes.
I don't know why this one is coming now. That word compatible is right. Is Mr. Azon Begood have said it all. He said when the one teaches about when you are already married, you have wives, you have children, have wife and have husband, stay with them. Stay with your wife, stay with your husband.
Yeah.
Try to be good.
Try to be good.
Try to be good.
Yes.
So, Mr. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really enjoyed this interview having with you today. I'm really enjoying it. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, Mr. Ezra, we still have more questions to ask you.
Okay.
Please, can you tell us this? How can we expect more songs with such deep narratives from you in the future?
Well, it has started already and will continue like that, even into the future, because once you are there, you are there.
Yes.
I cannot deviate from what I am actually doing now and start doing something else.
That is good. That is what I tell people.
Yeah, even if I have to space away from that, it also have to resonate the same message. So my songs will be coming up the same way, the same moral thing, the same evangelism.
Mr. Azaron is an evangelist.
Yes.
Okay, he's an evangelist.
Yes.
It's not only, I said it before, it's not only someone that preaches the Bible is an evangelist. Yes. So listen to the song very well. Yes. You understand the evangelist.
You understand what where I'm coming, the angle that I'm coming from.
Yes.
Yes. Just try and listen to my songs, to my lyrics, to my beats. You understand from the
You understand that he is evangelist, okay?
Yes.
So guys, thank you so much for, please help me share the video, share the live broadcast so that other people will know that Mr. Azaron is in Adadiche studio. So
Yes.
we are live here interviewing him, and he's giving us everything we need to know about
Yes.
buy and sell
So,
music. So Mr.
yes.
Azaron, we have another question to ask you, okay?
Mhm.
So I want to ask you, how has your background affected the team in buy and sell? Your background.
Yeah, my background as a struggling man, you know, yeah, we came from the hard way, you know,
Far.
you know, and then because we are seasoned hustlers, we never give up.
Yeah, man, it's not possible. It's not possible. Keep on moving.
Yeah, we just have to march on, no matter what. So
I hope your background did not disturb you.
It doesn't have anything to do. If even you know that stars are never born in a rich family.
Exactly.
So,
even before they was born, they from their mother's womb. Everything have already arranged. God have done it. Did you get that?
Yes.
The stars are never born in a rich place.
Just of recent, I went. They say when they talk about Davido, I said, that guy is from a rich family, but he's still doing well.
Well, but, I didn't mind though.
Yeah. But actually, stars are not born in a rich family.
Excuse, let me ask them. Did you agree for that? Did you agree with Mr. Azaron Begood that stars have never born in a rich family?
Yeah, it's
Did
very
you agree?
rare. Very rare.
Very rare. Okay, very rare. Okay, very rare. Because with Davido, you said it already that it's from a rich family, but it's making well.
It's a star. Yeah.
It's a star. So which means a star can born in a rich family.
Yeah, that's why I say it's rare.
It's rare. Okay.
Yeah, it's not.
Let's take it that way.
Most big time footballers or stars or musicians definitely are not from a rich home.
Exactly. Yeah.
That is the fact. So,
I agree with you.
So we are hustlers. And, we hustle until we get to where we're going. So,
and it must get there.
And then we must be there, you know, because it's all about consistency.
Exactly. Consistency matters a lot. Whatever you are doing, listen to this. I want you to learn something from what Mr. Azaron Begood is replying to us.
Yes.
Answer the question. I want you to learn something.
Never give up.
Never give up. That is why I always tell people this: never give up.
Never give up. Try.
I'm learning as well.
Yes. If you have dreams, just keep on fighting. You will get
I'm learning from you as well.
Definitely, we learn
as we are asking the question.
We learn from each other. That is what life is, because when this award, they become clean.
Exactly.
So we learn from each other. Knowledge is not the benefit or an exclusive reserve for anybody. When we interact, we exchange knowledge.
Exactly.
You learn.
Yes, every day.
That's why,
every day. But do you think that people know about this? That we learn every day? Because I know that a lot of people don't know that we learn every day. You can learn from me, I learn from you.
Yeah, but learning every day, that is part of education. Education is part of learning, and in the learning process, you never stop learning. Even at old age, once your brain is still functioning, you keep learning. You never stop learning. So
did you get Mr. Azaron?
Yes.
Mr. Azaron, Begood music. Please, guys, what are you waiting for? Mr. Azaron Begood just released a week ago, Begood, titled Begood. Please go to his YouTube channel and subscribe and watch the video. You will love it. You will love the past sense of the market area. You will see where people, because the buy and sell is teaching us a lot of things. They have already explained to us what is all about this buy and sell. Whatever you bought, that is what you are going to sell. Whatever you sold, that is what you are going to
the measure you give is the measure you get.
That is it. My Bible have already said it as well.
Of course.
So you use the word buy and
sell.
So I hope you understand the...
To take...
That's it. So, and he mentioned, give us a story. So he's also a storyteller, right?
Yes.
There's also a storyteller. Tell us one story that a man, you have said it before, but I'll come back to that question that you have to narrate very well that here because I see that people are just coming. They would like to hear that song. That song is very, very
Definitely.
good. So,
I'm here.
okay, Mr. Azon, let's go. We still have more questions to ask you.
Okay.
So, Mr. Azon, let us know, what message do you have? What message do you have to people, the upcoming artists that are watching us right now, or they are going to be watching later? What do you have for them? Who are you looking to make music with meaning? Who are looking that make sense, you know?
Well, for upcoming music artists out there, it is always very good to keep pushing, you know.
Yeah.
Push across boundaries. Don't let anything.
Keep on pushing.
Keep on pushing. Some people say keeping it on.
Oh, keep
so
yeah.
you just have to keep on push and push and push. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise.
Exactly.
Yeah, because life is all about. They say success is staying on when others have dropped off. You know, that is what success is all about.
Yeah.
So if you started a race with some people and then along the way,
there are many. There are people. Some of them drop on the road.
They turn around and start walking back.
Don't stop.
Don't stop. Just keep going. Because if you turn around and start walking back, the effort you made before you got to where you turn around is wasted. You see. So you just have to keep doing it. You get believing in God. First of all, believe in yourself, and then believe in God. Because if you don't believe in yourself, there's no how you can believe in God. You need to believe in yourself first.
That I can do this. I can do this.
And then you pray. God will bless your handwork.
And you will make effort. You will have to work very hard.
Yes.
Not only not to believe in yourself is only.
No.
You have to also work hard.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said. Yeah, when you believe in yourself, you work hard, and then you pray. The moment you believe in yourself, you're already working hard.
No. Exactly. A lot of people believe in themselves. I can make it, but they don't have stamina. They don't work hard or towards that belief. That's what they believe.
Okay, they don't have the initiative.
Exactly. Okay, let's use
They are not able to initiate what they wanted.
I can do it.
I can do it. Sit in one place and keep progressing.
Exactly.
You know,
keep believing God.
Go out there and actually.
I understand. Now I understand what I'm saying. So you cannot just say me like believe in yourself and just pick it.
Yeah.
You have to also put more effort.
I think I accord with you there.
Exactly. Thank you so much for having me. Okay, Mr. Adam, thank you so much for answering all these questions. But we still have more to go. Okay, Mr. Adam, although I don't know if it started when we started the main story about this buy and sell. Because there is something that prompts him to give him this name. You know, there is a story that prompts him how to make this music, to create this music. So he's going to tell us more story about the buying and selling. So, Mr. Azaron, I'm going to ask you again. What message do you have for? You have answered me. What is next? Like, if I would expect next, what is next? We feel that we, the viewers, we, the people, the followers, the subscribers, the audience, are expecting in your life story after that be good for buy and sell.
Okay, thank you very much. Absolutely. A whole lot of things is brewing. I will be dropping more songs as time goes on. Just last week, I dropped "Sweet Parents," a song
Sweet Parents.
Yes, a song that I dedicated to all parents all over the world, and I will encourage every.
Excuse me. If your parents here. Did you get to go and rush to watch it? Because Mr. Azaron Begood have appreciated all of you.
Yes.
Not only his parents alone, but every parent, every parent.
Yes.
So what are you waiting? Type Mr. Azaron
Begood music.
Azaron Begood music in
on
any
YouTube,
platform, YouTube, Facebook. So go and listen and watch. Appreciating all parents, okay?
Yes.
Appreciate, then you watch this buy and sell.
Yes.
You will enjoy the music and you come back and thank me.
Yes.
Okay.
So sweet parents, I encourage everybody. Once, if you love your parents, if you like them, go listen to this song. send this song as a gift to them. Make short videos with this song. Actually greeting your parents, thanking them.
I hope if people are cutting it, they are not going to get copyright.
No, they don't get copyright.
So there's no copyright on Mr. Azaro.
1 minute video is not no copyright is involved.
Okay.
So use it. Listen to the song. When you listen to the song yourself, you want to let your parents hear it, that you are actually appreciating.
You know that you are going to sing for us, because people are demanding that you have to sing for them. You can see the comment section, people are saying you have to sing for them. So you are going to give us more of it. Before you give us this, so I want to quickly ask you another one question that he answered before. I want people to listen, because people are watching now. For those that just came late, you know, so I want to ask you that question. How did you come up with this title by and so? You know, you explained one story, a man with a woman, that kind of stuff.
I remember very well. I told you that there was this man that by and so revolves around a man and his two kids. Okay. This is the man, he married 2 wives. Okay. And these two wives, each of them gave him a son. And then he lost one of the women. He lost one of the women with her child, more than he lost the other woman with her child. Okay. And so one of their uncle that is.
No, he loved the one I hate one. He loved the other woman. I hate the other woman.
Yeah, not that he hates, but you know.
He don't love him much.
It's not his love is more than
the other one. Yeah, I understand. So
it went on and on and on. These two guys grew up, and it's time for them at least to find their ways, go into life and hustle for their survival. But their uncle, one of their uncle that is in the city, came to take one of them maybe as an apprentice to go and learn something.
Did you get the story? Listen very well.
But their father, because the one he hated, he gave that one out and go with your uncle. I don't need you around me. And then the other one that he wants him to stay with him. So this other guy, this poor guy, he went away with his uncle to the city, and then at the end of it all, he made it. Wow! He became rich.
Wow!
And then bought a car and then decided to visit home to see his father. So he came home. When he arrived, his father was very surprised. But that's his
stepbrother,
half brother.
Yeah, that's stepbrother.
Yeah, he was there. Instead of him to show any kind of animosity to his
welcome
brother, he welcomed him, he liked him, you know, hugged him.
Wow, that is stepbrother.
Yeah, the one he left behind and went to the city. But the father, yes, showed some kind of bitter. So he planned. He never believed that guy will succeed. Yeah. So he planned to poison his son. So in the process of making this, trying to poison him, he added something or dropped some kind of.
The father?
Yes, the father dropped some kind of poison in the drink. The guy was just outside, and then he left. The son told his father is coming. He left. He went to drop this poison. And when after dropping the poison, he went outside. He went away to go and hide the poison. Before he came back, this other of his son.
The one I love it. The one so much. Did you hear the story? Drank
the wine and then fell down and died. So the man was, you know. He was devastated.
That is what he got.
Yeah,
what he bought is what
he sold something
and received it.
He bought something. So that
you see how wicked even the father can go and start first and
that is the vagaries of life. You know, how the cookie crumbles according to James Hartley.
Oh my God, that is the ethic story. Did you get that story? Yes. It's a very ethic story. It's ethic story like people. So you can see Mr. Adam has explained to us what brought him, make him to create and create this music. because of this kind of story. Did you see what that man bought is what he gets? What he just said is what he bought.
The measure he gave out is the measure he got.
Which is very, very bad. If you are watching this video, you are there. I think you will learn something from this interview today from Mr. Azaron Begood Music. So try and learn. Stop doing evil, doing bad things. Is not even your own blood or your sibling or your friends. Stop. Just try to be good. That is why that name also came out. Be good. You see, be good. So everything he does, on music, inspire a lot of people because he's teaching. He's teaching or telling us stories, things that is happening, and evangelizing to us as well. You see, he evangelize to us, he teaches us, and he tells us stories, life stories, things that happen. So I think you will learn a lot from Mr. Azaron Begood Music. So Mr. Azaron, please, people are asking if he can sing for us. Do you have any music to sing for us?
Let me just do a little thing.
Maybe next time prepare when I come and sing for them.
No problem. A singer is always a singer. I want to do a little thing in my newly dropped song, Sweet Parents.
Okay. I would like to hear that one because I need to,
all right.
You know.
I said, Daddy, Mommy,
wow.
Daddy, Mommy, yeah. When I need food, you always provide for me. When I need happiness, you always provide for me. When I need joy, you always provide for me. When I need money, you always provide for me. Everything that I need, you always provide for me. Thank you, my sweet daddy. Thank you, my sweet mommy. It will be perpetually perfectly well. Amen. I wish you happy days. Amen. I wish you long life. Amen. I wish you all the best. Wow! Thank you very much.
Wow, I love this with me, guys. You hear that right? I love it with the thing. Or if that's he go sing up again. He go sing up again. This one don't know what he did. He was in this movie. Oh my God! So you will see this music again for me, Mr. Adon need to repeat this music. That is disturbing me here. You need to repeat so that these people that requested it, the next one is disturbing them. So guys, let me sing it again. Let's hear. I want to show you with this one.
Okay.
Yes.
Daddy, Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, yeah. When I need food, you always provide for me. When I need happiness, you always provide for me. We provide for me. Everything that I need, you always provide for me. Thank you, my good daddy. Thank you, my sweet mommy. It will be perfectly where we live. Amen. I wish you happy days. Amen. I wish you long life. Amen. I wish you all the best.
Oh my God! Let's clap for Mr. Azaron Begood. I love this song. Please guys, he just dropped this one yesterday. He just dropped it down yesterday. Go watch Mr. Officer. Just what Mr. Azaron Begood Music. A great artist and legend. So guys, please go and watch that video. You like, subscribe. Like, I hope the interview understand everything he said here. He teaches us, he tells us story, he inspires us, he highlights to us. I think I'm so glad, excited, and happy, so overwhelmed to have Mr. Azaron and my savior. I love this. Thank you so much, Mr. Azaron. God bless you. Thank you for coming. I love you. Guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching it. Please don't forget to share. Bye bye. We love you. Ciao. Oh my God. Great.